Experiencing key fob not detected error in your Jeep Wrangler? It's a common issue, especially in 2018-2024 models. The first step is to identify the root cause. Most commonly, it's a simple fix. Start by checking the key fob battery. A weak or dead CR2032 battery often reduces signal strength. Replacement is easy. Pop open the fob, a coin helps, swap the battery, and see if that resolves the issue. If not, the problem might lie with the radio frequency hub, RFHUB, or the antenna. Don't worry, we'll cover those next. If a new battery doesn't solve the key fob issue, try resetting the RFHUB module, which handles wireless communication in your Jeep Wrangler. To reset, cycle the ignition by turning the key on and off 5 to 10 times. This recalibrates the module. Alternatively, use an OBD2 scanner to clear any stored error codes. If problems persist, the antenna could be faulty, especially if you frequently off-road. Check the antenna wiring for damage. A multimeter can test continuity to verify wiring integrity. Replacements are typically plug-and-play for convenience. Jeep issued recalls like NHTSA campaign number 24V-23 for RFHUB software glitches. Check if your Wrangler is eligible for a free over-the-air update at a dealership. Neglecting these issues can lead to bigger problems, so tackle them promptly.